Hello and welcome everyone to the first live talk of today here at BASF booth at K-Fair 2019. It's now 11 a.m. and I'm here with Rolf Bless from KCN. He's the founder and director of the company, and with Regina Bergmann, who is our account manager, industrial and construction. And with the two of them, I will be talking about KCN anti-slip floors made of Elastocoat C, less slashing and more driving. And we're going to start with a question to Rolf. What exactly is KCN doing, and what products do you develop with BASF?
Okay, hello everybody. KCN, I started this business in 1997 with coating systems for pickup trucks, and it's not really a big market in Germany, so I decided to look for other things, and so we have a lot of experience in several surfaces, coatings, and in the last few years we find that there's a big market who needs our product, and that's the transportation business, yeah. And for load security, they use anti-slip mats, and these anti-slip mats are horrible because no one uses them, and no one they were stolen, they were broken, and people are injured by laying there under. And so we decided to make an anti-slip floor fixed, produced into the trailers. Yeah. And that's the big thing what we present here. And so we asked BASF to help us to develop with us together the perfect surface. And that's the thing what we do in this case.
Yeah. And by pointing at this picture, you can actually see how much friction is caused by the Elastocoat here applied to the freight room of the vehicles. So that's very impressive. And question going to Regina. So from a technical point of view, what is the Elastocoat contribution from BASF side?
Hi, also from my side. Yes, we came up with KCN and we had a question from them to support them with the idea of developing a product for the anti-slip floors, and so we sat together and found out some ideas, and went to our technicums and laboratories and tested some products, and after then we we chose Elastocoat C, which perfectly fit to the demand of KCN for these anti-slip floors with the skills and properties. Yeah, and these good properties are the abrasion and chemical resistance of this material. It's very durable, which is very important for this application, and has got very good mechanical properties, a good sound absorption, which is also very important while loading and offloading the goods from the truck. And also this material is CE marked, which means that it fulfills very special requirements in the market. Yes.
And from a commercial standpoint, why should customers coat their freight room with Elastocoat and have this different?
That's easy because they save time for less lashing. Yeah? And so the thing is tested by DEKRA and Fraunhofer Institute for the slip, I don't know the exactly English word, Reibgleitbeiwerk. And yes, and
yeah.
so the forwarder are able to put the pallets, the materials just on the floor and lashing just for moving and kippen.
Yeah, so it
falling.
doesn't tip over.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and not for slipping.
Yeah.
And so that's a big deal when the benefit you have less lashing, so more driving.
Yeah. Okay, so and I can also imagine, so it will definitely increase the speed of loading these vehicles and then be on the road rather sooner than later. And developing this thing together, how would you say the collaboration helped? Were there any stories you would share at this point?
Jetzt nicht ganz verstanden.
The collaboration between
Yeah.
you and BASF, how did it help you to come up with the coding?
Yes, okay. We started with some systems and we saw that the sticking is not enough, and so we get together with the chemist of BASF, and we need, in this case, in the middle of this floor, we need an Bindemiddel, an
Binder?
and binder, thank you, which is not already on the market. Yeah, so that's the things what we make together, because we are only applicator, yeah, and we are now chemist. We need the raw material and and that's a good together work with BASF.
Yeah. So in the end, it's a co-creation, it's a collaboration. You encounter issues, and BASF comes in, understands what customers need, and then it's a joint development in the end, which I think is the best way of doing that business. So talking about empowering the future together, Digina, what's the next steps?
Yes, we are trying to, of course, roll up the market, and by implementing the anti-slip floor in a wide range, of course. And at the moment, we are trying to get even in our intra-factory transport, so that even in BASF internal transport, we have to use it. And of course, the highest aim or the highest goal would be to even gain the official ordinance for the transport law, so that such anti-slip floors has or must be used all over Europe in every truck. That would be, of course, the highest aim or the highest goal. Furthermore, we are, of course, looking for other applications of Elastocoat C at every time, together with KCN. For example, in the back you can see our Heima Vision Venture concept car, where a KCN also applied the Elastocoat C on the front and side parts, which you can see very well, and which is very successfully done.
So I see there's a broad range of applications we need and will cover together in the future. I'm looking forward to that. Thank you both for being here, for talking about the topic with me, and thanks for everyone for listening. And if there are any questions, Rolf and Regina will be here to answer them.
Thank you.
Thank you.